If you love cracking your knuckles, stop it immediately. But what will happen if you don't?
But first, if you find this cat adorable, be sure to like and subscribe. This poor cat just wants to live longer and stay with its owner, but every day it grows weaker and weaker. I know you have a kind heart. Let's send prayers by dropping heart emojis in the comments and sharing this video with friends and family to spread hope. Now,
So many people enjoy cracking their knuckles because they find it very satisfying. Some even like to crack their necks and backs, as it relieves tension in their joints. But it is not as safe as you might think. So why is it so dangerous? Well, cracking your knuckles too often may damage your joints and even dislocate your fingers.